Welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of unstoppable power and unforgettable characters as we explore some of the most formidable main characters in anime. Just a heads up, this isn't a rank list, and we are focusing slowly on main characters who define their series with their incredible abilities and compelling stories. So let's get started. Eren Yeager from Attack on Titan. Eren Yeager, the main character of Attack on Titan, transforms from a determined youth into a formidable force. Initially driven by a desire for vengeance against the Titan, Eren discovers his abilities to transform into a Titan himself. This power evolves throughout the series, and he later gains the founding Titan's abilities, allowing him to control other Titans and access the memories of past users. Eren's character is a complex, shifting from a hero fighting for humanity's survival to a controversial figure with his own vision of freedom. His journey is marked by intense battle, moral dilemmas, and profound changes in his personality. Shigeo Kageyama from Mob Psycho 100. Mob from Mob Psycho 100 is a seemingly ordinary middle schooler with extraordinary psychic powers. His abilities include telekinesis, energy manipulation, and psychic barrier. Despite his immense strength, Mob seeks a normal life, suppressing his emotions to control his powers. His mentor, Reagan, helps him navigate his abilities while imparting life lessons. Mob's journey is about self-discovery, acceptance, and the balance between power and humanity. His emotional growth and moral compass making him a compelling character as he confronts increasingly dangerous threats. Monkey D. Luffy from One Piece. The captain of the Straw Hat Pirates in One Piece is driven by his dream to become the Pirate King. After eating the Gum Gum fruit, he gained the ability to stretch his body like rubber, making him incredibly resilient and versatile in combat. Luffy's unwavering determination, indomitable spirit, and loyalty to his friend define his character. His mastery of Haki further enhances his abilities, allowing him to take on powerful adversaries. In his Gear 5th form, Luffy unlocks the peak of his potential, drastically increasing his speed, strength, and durability. This transformation, with its cartoonish yet overwhelming power, showcases Luffy's creative and unpredictable fighting style. Luffy's adventures across the Grand Line are marked by his relentless pursuit of freedom and justice for himself and his crew. Saitama from One Punch Man. Saitama, the main character of One Punch Man, is known for his incredible strength, able to defeat any opponent with a single punch. Despite his overwhelming power, he struggles with boredom and a lack of fulfillment, as no enemy possesses a challenge. Saitama's journey is marked by his quest to find a worthy adversary, while navigating the mundane aspects of everyday life. His indifferent and often comical demeanor contrasts with the typical hero archetype, making him a unique and memorable character in the world of anime. Son Goku from Dragon Ball. The central character of the Dragon Ball series is a Saiyan warrior, known for his boundless energy and unstable desire to become stronger. He has transformed numerous times, achieving in powerful forms such as Super Saiyan God, and Ultra Instinct. Goku's pure-hearted nature and relentless pursuit of improvement drive him to protect Earth and its inhabitants from formidable foes across the universe. His battle against iconic villains like Frieza, Cell, and Majin Buu are legendary, showcasing his unyielding spirit and immense strength. And that wraps up our exploration of these incredible main characters in anime. Who's your favorite powerhouse protagonist? Let us know in the comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more anime content. See you next time.